Hi, my name is Jacob Tunis. Today is the 28th of January 2026. Yes, it's about, I think, between 9 o'clock and 11 o'clock at night. Yeah, I just saw, I'm over here. Let me just repeat it again. I'm in Akasha, Pretoria, Gauteng, South Africa. Akasha, Pretoria, Gauteng, South Africa. And my phone is recording into the Roslyn, Pretoria, Gauteng, South African side, which means I'm recording into a northern side. Yeah, I just saw a fire over there. I think it's close to the Station Square shopping center in Roslyn, sorry, in Akasha, Pretoria, Gauteng, South Africa, very close to the industrial factories in Roslyn, Pretoria, Gauteng, South Africa. There was a smoke. I think it's a fire. Last year, about last year mid-year, there was also a fire in that direction. That is when tires were burning. There was a factory over there that had a lot of tires, and it just started to burn out of control. And it even burned down a church. As church's roof to the southern side of the Station Square shopping center. So that was a very unnatural fire which happened back then. I don't know who was responsible for that concluded type of crime. I don't know. I know Stanley John Dolman visits this place sometimes. He is a type of bestialist. He will do anything for people to be as quiet as long as possible about his bestiality crimes. Even these people over here come over here and is extremely quiet about his bestiality crimes. I've never seen people be so quiet or for such a long time about bestiality crimes. You can see over here, this flash floodlight is legally been classified by Sony as not protecting the forest to the north side of Miles and Akasha Gauteng, but making everybody quiet about Stanley John Dolman's bestiality crimes. If he commits bestiality crimes, this is just to basically hush people or quiet people down. Hush, hush, puppy. Sits in order. This flash floodlight is useless and is only being misused in order to make people quiet about Stanley John Dolman's bestiality crimes. That's the only purpose it has, is to make people quiet about. Look how quiet these people are, polite and nice. They're just quiet, polite and nice because Stanley John Dolman doesn't want people to noise pollute him about raping dogs to death at night, Dutch dogs to death at night. He wants every, look how hush hush. It's like a really fat baby over there, fat baby over there, and fat baby over there. This is the most quietest, look at this one. This one is even a specialist at being as quiet as possible about him raping dogs to death at night. Look at how quiet that one is. I must award this one. It's like MI5 military intelligence from Britain, how quiet that one is about him raping dogs to death. Even the machines that buy is just to be quiet about him raping dogs. So just parking here and being quiet about him raping Dutch on dogs to death at night. But yeah, he is certainly now retired, so he's like an old, crooked old back man following me around when he's retired. And now he is stealing my money all the time. So he's basically spying upon me, and industry is spying upon my bank account all the time. And when he is doing that, he minuses money and penalizes money, and that then without the necessary financial resources I needed in order to stay in this forest, people would just create like industrial fires like that, like concluded, what's it called? Concluded, that's called here in the north side of Miles and Akasha thing. So as these people just they want to be quiet all the time, create like a silent study zone uh, from him raping Dutch dogs to death. Um, then he has learned, well, now that I see you can be quiet about me raping Dutch dogs to death at night, then I will basically teach you how to create a silent study zone for your mental retards that comes over here and try to learn and not pass school and stuff like this. And this is also illegal type of quietness, politeness, for people that are actually racist, in a matter of saying they're racist, and mental retarded people that are trying to teach at school can't can't co-act with black people, can't exist with black people, can't exist with black peoples. They can't learn with black people. They can't have friends with black people. They can't have black male friends, nothing. They don't break through to black people in order to be friends with them and go on with their life. No, they stay over here, and then as they've now been corrupted into being quiet, silent the whole time from him raping Dutch dogs to death at night. Then they've also taught themselves how to steal, digitally smuggle, and electronically pirate my silent study zones the whole time. So everywhere they go, they park. That man don't rape Dutch dogs. These guys are busy with silence about that. So they also further financially corrupted them into stealing my silent study zone. And then they penalize money, for example, like starting a conglomerate fire over there, like an industrial fire over there. And then this quiet, this specialist quiet one specifically, has then instructed me, why don't you join Disney Plus, not Discovery Plus, and stuff like this. So these are quiet people. They're not legit, ethical, or anyway wanted by my other family members when it comes to teaching, because they've learned how to mix being inside of my selective muteness, silent witness program, and also silent study zones, just from learning from a guy who rapes Dutch dogs to death, and then as he raped Dutch dogs to death, then he learned to keep quiet about it and not admit it to anybody. And then he learned other people how to be quiet about it as well. And then um, they are basically bribed, forged, and corrupted to having all of the silent study zones, which is useless for me, and I don't like them, and it's important to keep myself separate from them. And because I know the younglings, what I've learned from last year, these ones don't actually pass. They they are pupils over here, white pupils over here, that has not learned that they that is not learned how to sit still, wait for black guys to be their friends, wait for them to teach them about the ways of life. Now these ones are way too racist, too much racism from them in order to function with other black pupils at school. So what did they do? They made them stuck inside of here, learn from being silent from this guy raping Dutch dogs and stuff like that, and then just to be as quiet as possible about it the whole time, and then go on further being cleverer and cleverer and cleverer and cleverer and quiet until they've learned, okay, then until this guy's learned, well, as they're this quiet from now on, then I will donate Mr. Jacob Janis's silent study zone to them the whole time. And this is what we are stuck with, this silent study zone every night. So if I want the freedom of thought inside of my silent study zone, they will hurt me for this. If I want my freedom of thought inside of my own silent study zone, they will track it down and say that's against the law and it's illegal to feel that type of freedom of movement. So that's basically, at the end of the day, when they came over here, everything is now a little forest, everything is a high burning fire, everything is as warm as possible, everything is not a little sun, but a magnifying sun the whole time. Everything about them is being quiet about a certain entity raping Dutch dogs to death. And as he laughed to hear about them not talking about him raping Dutch dogs to death, then they went inside of, would you not believe it, my selective muteness, my silent witness program, and my silent study zone. And as they've learned from those white people who's too racist to go to school and break through with other black kids and shit like this, then they've also said, well, you can't yet punch Jacob in order to steal his silent study zone the whole time. I will have to make you wait for 10 years, train you every night, kung fu, karate, taekwondo, boxing classes, dancing classes, any meditation, other aerobic classes you can do. I will teach you in the next 10 years how to punch Mr. Jacob Janis to death.